In this video, I will explain the definition of unit step function and how to find the Laplace transform of the unit step function. First, the definition. The unit step function u of t minus a is defined by u of t minus a equals 0 when t is less than or equal to a and 1 when t is greater than a. And this is the definition, and there are two properties. So properties, first one, so Laplace transform of u of t minus a will be e to the power of minus as. And the second property, so Laplace transform of f of t minus a into u of t minus a will be e to the power of minus as into f of s. So what is this f of s means? Where so Laplace transform of f of t is f of s. So now, so I will explain the working rule. Working rule to find Laplace transform of f of t minus a into u of t minus a. The first step is that take the coefficient of u of t minus a as f of t minus a. Second step, replace t by t plus a in f of t minus a to get f of t. This is the second step. Third point, find Laplace transform of f of t, that is f of s. The fourth point, use the property so Laplace transform of f of t minus a into u of t minus a equals e to the power of minus as into f of s. So this is the working rule. Now I will explain this working rule by taking an example. So find the Laplace transform of That is to find the Laplace transform of 3t square plus 4t plus 5 into u of t minus 3. So what the first step says that you have to take this u of t minus 3 coefficient as f of t minus 3. We have a u of t minus 3. Its coefficient should be f of t minus 3, that is 3t square plus 4t plus 5. Now we have to replace t by t plus 3. So left hand side becomes f of t, right hand side 3t square, that is t plus 3 whole square plus 4 into t plus 3 plus 5. Now expand this 3 into, apply a plus b whole square, t square, 3 square will be 9, 2 into 3 into t, that is 6t, 4t, 4 into 3 will be 12 plus 5. Now if we simplify this, it becomes 3t square plus 27, 9 into 3, 27, plus 18t plus 4t plus 17. 12 plus 5 will be 17. Finally, so f of t will be 3t square, 18t plus 4t will be 18 plus 4t will be plus 22t, 27 plus 37, so 27 plus 17 plus 44. Now find the now it is the third step. We have to find the Laplace transform. Laplace transform of f of t is equals to 3 into Laplace transform of t square, 3 into Laplace transform of t square plus 22 into Laplace transform of t plus Laplace transform of 44. That is 3 t square Laplace transform will be 2 factorial by 2 plus 1, that is 3. 22 into Laplace transform of t, 1 factorial by s square plus 44 by s. Laplace transform of 44 is 44 by s. So therefore f of s will be, f of s will be 3 into 2, that is 6 by s cube plus 22 by s square plus 44 by s. So this is the f of s. Now we'll use the property. The property says that Laplace transform of f of t minus a into u of t minus a will be equal to e to the power of minus as into f of s. So now use the property, that is Laplace transform of 3t square plus 6t plus 5 into u of t minus 3. will be e to the power of minus as. U of t minus a means we will write e power minus as. T minus 3 means it will be e to the power of minus 3s into f of s, that is 6 by s cube plus 22 by s square plus 44 by s. So this completes the Laplace transform of the given function. Thank you.